Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share your songs over on Spotify. So the process is going to be very easy, but make sure that do watch the video completely in order to get perfect into it. Okay, so heading to the video, first of all you need to do, open your Spotify. Now from here, if you want to share a specific playlist or any of the song you want to click on the library icon in the bottom right here, and then let's say here I don't have any library right now, but let's choose a song, and here I'm like a random song, let's say. Okay, so this song maybe we are listening some lyrics and then I'll show you. Okay, so here I'm liking this song, and then now what you need to do, just head to right in your library, as we already do. Click on your library icon, and then from here if I say these are my songs, and then some artists and something like that. So now what you need to do, if you share a specific library, now go back and then click this plus icon to create a new playlist. And then here I'm creating a playlist. Let's say give it a name that my likes, and then create. Here I have created a playlist, and then click add songs, and then just swipe right to add your all the songs. Now after that, here I have created a playlist and have added all my songs. What you need to do, click these three dots, and then from here you can share this specific library or this specific playlist to anyone. Just copy the link and it will be shared. Thank you so much.